See, this isn't no ordinary $1. I'm going to transform it into $5. In 3, 2, 1. Poof. See? $5. Oh, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da! I don't really know what to do now. Let's see. What else should I put on YouTube? How about some of this light? Let's see. Let's play with this helicopter and stuff. Whee! He's dead. I'm gonna clean up the money. Oh, I know. Any of you guys like this? Calvin and Hobbes? Anyone? How about this iPod? This is my iPod. Or how about this heli, like a helicopter, or this. You know what this is? Crap.